gingerbread day. It's gingerbread day. We're gonna make gingerbread. It's gingerbread day. We're doing gingerbread today. This will be our 7th year doing a gingerbread party with very close friends of ours. And every year we have a different theme. And this year's theme is Hansel and Gretel houses. So the outside of the gingerbread house has to look all sweet and nice and inviting for little children to come into. And then the inside needs to be mostly licorice, the most disgusting of candies, and spiderwebs, and the oven, and the witch, and just a spooky, scary flip from the outside to the inside as possible.
Yeah, don't expect that much.
What are you talking about? My gingerbread looks good! I'm good at gingerbread! Yeah. Although this is the first year. Normally we split into teams. And
sorry,
me and
so rough.
My team, we win 7 years. This would have been our 7th year in a row winning.
No, we won the murder house.
6 years. We won the murder house.
We
told you won the murder house to be nice.
No, we won the murder house. Camera is very bouncy because I'm on quite a rough road. We're in the country. So.
Welcome to South Australia, where every road's a roller coaster.
Yeah, pretty much. But yeah, whee!
So wifey won the annual gingerbread party 2020, surprising no one. It was always going to be a bit of a tight race between her and the other friend, but those itty bitty rose bushes on top of the licorice all sorts really cinched the deal. I reckon that's what pushed her over the line. If you like this video, please do leave a like on it. But more importantly, wait, don't click off the video yet. This was our 7th year doing this annual gingerbread party. Each and every year we have a different theme and a different topic, and it's getting real hard to come up with themes and topics. So if you have an idea for a theme and topic for the annual gingerbread party 2021, leave it in the comments section below. Next year, as we are planning the gingerbread party, I will come back to the comments, so you've got a full year. If you're watching this 6 months down the track, you can still comment. I will read through them and suggest them to the group. And you never know, your idea could be the annual gingerbread party 2021 theme. But for right now, I'm gonna go eat some gingerbread. You have a wonderful day, have a good life, make the world smile by any means necessary, and I'll catch you all down the road.